Trying to find a way to make it easier to say. G'day Hop Trackers, welcome back to another video. Got a new face to the channel, got my friend Jess here, and where are we?
We are at Cougal National Park.
So Springbrook National Park, Cougal Cascades. I call them Currumbin Cascades, but their actual name is Cougal, but I don't think anybody knows that. They just know them as Currumbin Cascades at the end of Currumbin Creek Road. So we've come up here just to do a bit of bushwalking, catch up. You've been overseas for how long?
A year.
Jeez. Yes. What's it like overseas after COVID?
Yeah, it's good. Not as good as Australia though.
Yeah, see, we're still the best. But yeah, I thought I'll show you guys around while we're up here. We're going to actually try and push up the creek about, I don't know, 4 years ago. No, before Ash, so about 5 years ago, I actually walked up the creek and found a waterfall. So I thought I'd take Jess up there and show it to her. So we'll show you whatever we find along the way.
Cool.
See ya. You want some free timber? Still a couple of pieces in there. But the one up there is actually in pretty good nick.
Do you think you could actually use that for firewood though?
No, not for fire.
Oh my gosh, I did not think that through.
It's easier just to go through the river.
Yeah. Oh god.
And Dylan doesn't fall in.
Oh, bloody dark.
These spiders normally can float on the water. I'll see if I can get him to go on for you. Hopefully they're not venomous. There you go. They just sit there and float. Wicked little critters. How you going? Not going to fall in again?
No, I haven't fallen yet.
Do you want to see the spider?
Yes. Chair.
So down there, you can see they literally put the bottom of their feet and keep themselves above water.
It's really symmetrical, isn't it? Oh my gosh, that's really cool.
Ooh,
it
tried to
jumps.
bite me. So guys, this is why you would venture off track. Don't just stick to the main track. Don't be stupid and go too far. But if it's a nice easy one like this where you just follow the creek up, you get to find some amazing spots that nobody else goes to. What do you think?
Definitely.
We'll push on. There you go, she concurs. Already saying more than Ash. Jesus, a bit hairy through here. Lucky you're small. Not so good for us bigger people. Jesus.
Where exactly is this leading to?
To your grave. Jesus Christ.
Wait, I'm caught. Oh no, I'm good.
I did tell you we were going to get off track.
Jeez.
Is that enough of an adventure for you?
No, that's pretty good.
I reckon this will do us.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, look, a birdie. Oh, look, he came to say hello. G'day, fella. Are you friendly? Having a sunbathe. How sick is this? Getting up so close to him. G'day, mate. I'm Dylan. That's Jess. So what's better, Jess? This or the start of it?
I think this.
Yep, I agree. Pays to get off track. But we're going to jump in, aren't we?
Absolutely.
And I'll see if my drone works. It's been about 6 months since I've used it. But I'll see if I can fire it up and get some footage around here. I reckon it'll look pretty cool. How is it?
Oh, it's fresh. It's
And look, you're swimming with your buddy.
Holy moly. Oh.
It has come straight off the mountains.
It's definitely fresh. Oh, okay, I'm getting used to it.
Okay, if Jess went in, it means I got to go in. In we go. How bad is it?
It's not too bad.
Where's our little friend over there?
Yes, yeah.
It's fresh, but not freezing.
It's what felt freezing to me.
Actually, it starts to burn after a little while.
I think the initial shock is not too bad, but it's, yeah, the aftermath.
At least it's nice and deep. Well worth coming here. How far up do you reckon we walked?
Oh, 5k.
No, time-wise.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
30 minutes?
Yeah, 20, 30 minutes, walk straight up the creek and then you'll hit this little paradise. I'll take you guys under the water. If you say so.
I wish I spent the summer looking reflecting out through shadows. I feel the sun's coming and we say goodbye, goodbye. We'll never do. You say you need me, I just stop. Faces in the dark, places that we fly through, just a me and pop. The rain in my skin, tears upon your face, upon your face. Oh, I wish you see yourself in someone else's eyes. Do you see your dream?
Let's start to make our way back.
I feel like
That is really good hiking gear. Except I'm a bit freezing because I didn't think to bring a towel. Not as smart as you, Jess, am I? Well, you are a teacher as well. I seem to like hanging around teachers.
Yeah, it must be a thing.
Even though I really hated them as a kid.
Yeah. Once again, I don't identify myself as a teacher, like, in the slightest. Oh, shit.
Yeah, you don't seem like the teachers I had as a kid.
No.
They're all old and ugly and grumpy bastards.
No, I'm fun.
But they could have been grumpy because they had to teach me.
I doubt that.
Okay guys, well, we're going to push on. We'll see you when we get to the start. Okay guys, well we're back at the car park now. So what do you think?
Unbelievable.
I
So
agree.
good.
Really good. We had it to ourselves the whole time we were there, about an hour.
Yeah, bit over.
Yeah, we saw 2 couples on our way up.
Not many people though,
No.
overall.
No, even at the main waterfall, which is normally really popular, there wasn't a lot. What I've noticed, you'll see there's a big, massive tree that's blocking the actual slide, so whether or not that's deterring a lot of people. But where we went was beautiful, picturesque, so quiet, so I highly recommend it. Well, that'll be it for this week.
Yeah, looking forward to next adventure.
Yeah, another one coming. So as always, guys, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next video. We're about to get run over. See ya.
I wish I spent the summer looking in your eyes, reflecting life through shadows.